Hi, this is Justin from Seachoice, and today we'll be installing a 5-foot VHF antenna. If you're looking to change out your antenna, you're not sure how to do it, we're going to go over it today. Very simple process, takes just a few minutes. All right, so here's the top side of my T-top where my antenna sits. The first step in this process is going to be unhooking your antenna from the radio. All right, so as you can see here, my radio normally sits up here in my T-top. All I've done here is unscrewed the marine board that holds it up there. If you flip to the back of your radio here, you'll find a connector. All right, all we're going to do is unscrew. Very easy. All right, so we've disconnected this from the back of the radio. The holes in my T-top are not big enough to fit this adapter in here. So these conveniently will disconnect here. All you've got to do is unscrew the connector. And now we have a much smaller piece to fit through the hole in the T-top. All right, so I've got my wire pulled. So now what we're going to do is simply screw the antenna off the base. Okay, we've completed the removal. Now we'll put the new one back on the same way we took the last one off. All right, so today I'll be putting on the Seachoice 5-foot VHF antenna to replace my old antenna. Okay, it comes with 15 feet of cable here. All right, we're simply going to screw it back on the same way we screwed the other one off to start with. Okay, so now that I have this detangled, we're going to take the same process that we did before in the opposite direction. So I'm going to remove this adapter here. Very simple. Again, just unscrew this. Okay, now we have a nice surface here that will fit through all the holes in my boat. Okay, so I've just run the cable down here. As you can see, I just want to make sure that I don't pull this cable here too tight. Okay, when you put this antenna up, you're naturally going to take a little bit more cable. So you just want to make sure when you install this that you check that and don't pull the cable too tight if you're running this through a T-top. So we've got the cable run back through here. If you've done anything on a boat, cable management, very important. So I've just got the zip tied up here. All we're going to do is reconnect this connector. Simply screw it back in. Okay, that's pretty snug. And reconnect it to the back of the radio. Okay, now I'm going to hook my electronics back up and we should have a functioning radio. All right, so now we're ready to talk. Turn the radio on. And as you can hear, some people talking to each other. We're at my house, so we don't get great signal, but it's working just fine. The fact that I can hear anyone from here is actually pretty incredible. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.